Good morning, Silke and hey, Vera. Vera? And Vera. And we're going somewhere. Okay, we are here. Ta-da! New.
Brand new. I'll show you how the coating seat is set on the middle. So that's a nice addition to when you drive. Like competition of dressage. You can slide the coating seat to the side.
Perfect.
Then the groom seat can go to this side, so then you have still a nice view, and you can, with this knob, you can secure the seat so it's fixed into the middle.
Wow. Shall I go on?
Shall I? Oh, wait a moment. I put it on. I get it like this, so it doesn't go to the other side. This, I think you can slide a little bit to the.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh yeah.
yeah.
Perfect.
Brake,
Great.
turntable brake. That's for this. So
Oh yeah.
turntable is locked. Handbrake. If you put pressure on the rear brake, do this. It's secured. Now you have give some more pressure. And now you put up. So now it's on the brake. Sometimes convenient when you hook up the horses so the carriage is going anywhere. You have air suspension in the back for a smooth ride.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Silke, come. You can test this. En ik vond het voorbeeld. Ja, zeker wel.
Yeah.
Zitten you too? Kom Vera. Hier maar bij zetten. Perfect.
This is the pole. For fair riding. And the same connector like this, you can also do the shaft. If you have longer horses, you can slide this also out. This is the bolt to secure it. And this is when you have it longer out, so it doesn't go like this.
Ja.
In Dutch it's called spinnacle. I don't know what's called in
Spinnenkop.
spinnacle.
Spider head.
Spider head, but I don't think that's the right translation for it. And if you go to a very rough terrain, you can put this chain like this also over here, so then the pole isn't going totally to the top.
Oh,
Carriage has a few grease points. Every wheel has grease points. You can find the red plastic dots. Well, grease it once in you don't go to a lot of rough terrain and water, etc. So once in 3 months is enough to do 3-4 pumps of grease.
okay.
And once in a while, check the tire pressure just like a car.
Yeah.
And the air suspension pressure, of course. Here is the deal for the air
Oh, okay.
suspension. And here also again
En
grease
hoeveel bar?
between 1.8 and 2, that should be sufficient. When you have a lot of people in the back, perhaps 2 is okay, but when there's only 1.8 should be okay.
Okay.
But if you put it on 2, then it can stay for several months. So I put the safety release hooks already on.
Oh yes, yep. Yep.
This is almost, I think, at the right length and width for your horse, but you can adjust it with this.
Yeah.
Unbelt this, then with a, I think it's in English a Phillips tool, you can unlock it and then you can twist it like this or make it longer and shorter.
Yeah. Yay.
We like to give customers a nice blanket.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and please show it when you go to a competition or something like that.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, this is the harness. Ideal Eurotech harness. Maintenance free. It's a pair harness, and also the components for drive single are here.
Sure.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It smells lovely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's not leather. Dat is Fiella.
Hetzelfde wat het komt?
Ja, maar vallen soepeler.
Ja.
Nog soepeler. Perfect.
This is all for the double, and here you have the stuff for the single, also the bridles, the reins. So this is for, and also the safety hooks for the pair to come on the carriage. So the only thing what's missing is a horse.
Yeah. Well, maybe Sally, maybe Tyrone, and maybe Friesian. Oh, dan neem het mooi.
Let's load.
Ja. Ken ik dit ook?
Ja, this is not.
Dit wil ik nou te horen.
Ja,
Dat we het samen?
Leg hem maar gewoon, hè? En dat je gewoon iets van de trap nog stond. Better in the car.
Yes. Wat handig.
Heeft een boomband erbij?
Ja, ik heb dan al.
Ja, fits.
Dat is vaker weer.
Ja. klep, zo.
Oh, zo.
Nou, dat was ik even een mooi binnenbandje. En nee, dan druk ik hem er wel in.
Oh. Oh, zo. There we are. Reisje, Tyrone, Elvis, Rijntje, Dolly en Sally. Oh, that's Sally.